Aspen, look at the pretty girl. Eat your food. Eat your brekkie. Alright, off to work. Do we take Bamalam or do we not? Let's see if we can get her out. Oh, trash can. Let me do it like this then. Here. Let me scoot this guy over a little bit. That's a recluse. What's this recluse doing in my garage? Oh. Interesting. All right. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's take Bamalam today. What do you think? What you think? Pretty sure I already turned that on. Let's do this one. Alright. Weird flex, but okay. Hell yeah, look at my dog fur all over my hands. Yeah. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's the sound of music to my ears. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. To fantasize. Whoa. Yes, because I'm a pro, dude. Look at that. Look at the back out skills. Top of the morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. Top of the morning to you. Top of the morning to you. It is Friday. Let's wait for these cars. It's Friday today. It's like 60 degrees. It was 59 last time I checked, so a little bit on the chilly side for me anyways. I'm a good old Texas boy. I like the warmth. I would rather sweat any day of the week. Any day of the week I would rather sweat than have to deal with sub 60 degrees. I hate the cold. With a fiery passion. With a fiery passion, I hate the cold. But we're headed to work. Ka-chow. You know what I mean? We're headed to work. Going to make that money. Going to make that money. We're taking we gotta let Bamalam stretch her legs today. We gotta get this old gal up and running, you know what I mean? Get this old gal going. We got to get this little lady running a little bit. Oh, it's yellow. I have, since posting the 2 videos I posted this week, realized that the mic is still peaking, so I still got, I don't know why it's doing it. I've changed the amount of gain that's going to it. I've changed where it sits in the helmet. I've changed all this and all that, and I just keep having problems. I'm gonna probably end up doing a wired mic, but sometime in the near future. I'm kind of broke right now. I've been spending too much money on cameras and stuff. Yeah, look at the progress they're making over here. They're putting up their little concrete forms. This is going to be the turn lane. I know what that turns to. It turns to a subdivision. We're headed to work though. Not anything crazy going on in my world, in our world, and in the daily update videos. Nothing crazy happening. I got a buddy of mine, actually my roommate's buddy. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. My roommate's buddy needs to go up to the dealership to drop his bike off for an oil change, so we might cruise up there with him on Saturday, so tomorrow. Good old Moto, ladies and gents. Should have stayed there. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We're just cruising on to work. We do have, so this Saturday we're doing our cruise with the roommate and his buddy, going up to, so the roommate, his Z900 has the 600 miles on it, so he's taking it in to get the first check done on it. And then the other buddy, he's just going in for an oil change, so kind of just get it taken care of in one fell swoop type thing. So we're headed up there. They also do, our dealership is really cool. They do like the first Saturday of every month. Oh no, it's a raindrop. Oh no. The first Saturday of every month, they usually do like a bikes and coffee type thing where you kind of go hang out, hey, hi, how you doing, and chit chat for a little while, just kind of get out there, you know what I mean? So I think that'd be pretty cool. And then we are still planning our trip to Scarborough. Scarborough Renaissance Festival is doing Pirate Week on May 16th. That's going to be a Saturday. Hey, we're going to that. We're going to that. Already have the pirate outfit, which y'all saw the other day. So it's gonna be a good, you know, it's gonna be a good month. It's a good month. So I might hold off on the how-to video for my helmet setup just because I think I'm gonna wait till I get a wired mic and see how that sounds, and then I'll do a how-to. Actually, no, I'll just go ahead and do it, because if I end up doing the podcast with the roommate, this is the setup that I'll be using. So we'll just have to be picky and choosy about what we're pulling from the audio and stuff. So yeah, I'll probably just go ahead Saturday and do the video for you guys. I'll probably turn it into a short. Probably won't do like a full video, and I'll probably turn it into a short, and then I might do another full video after that. Just kind of running through like how to set everything up, how to get everything paired, the whole 9 yards. And the weather app keeps lying to me. They keep saying that I'm not going to get rained on, and then I start going, and I get rained on. It was a lie. Dude, yeah, my fingers are already getting cold. I'm such a wiener when it comes to cold weather, bro. Hermano, yo practicando mi español. Is that a motorcycle cop? My bad. Sorry, YouTube. I might get in trouble for that. Doing a little bit of singing. I'm not gonna do it. I was just thinking about I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, the motorcycle cops. those are motorcycle cops. Yeah, but yeah, those are police. Yeah, those are police. Make sure my plate's down. Hell yeah. Don't know how to act. Look at them riding in tandem, taking up the lane. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. But I didn't even know this area had motorcycle cops. That's fucking dope. That's fucking dope. Dirty babe. It's just the no one makes me feel the way. Dirty Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. I want to be a motorcycle cop. I'll be honest. I want to be a moto cop. I want it. I wonder what the qualifications are for their helmets. Do you think the department buys them for them? Or do you think that they buy their own helmets and then that gets moved over, like they get like probably like reimbursed or something? I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. Them mother boys don't know how to act. And also, I want to know, why do they have bright blue LEDs on the back of their bikes? I've seen your shackles, I'm your slave. If I misbehave, it's just that no one makes me feel this way. Cop speeding. I'm making a citizen's arrest. I'm making a citizen's arrest. They're speeding. Wait, hold on. 55. They're speeding. They're speeding. Jail. Straight to jail. Straight to jail, no questions. You're going to jail. That's hilarious. They're gonna hang out in that lane and let me pass. See if I'm legit, see if I'm legal. That's funny. Oh, that's funny. They're hunting. They're prowling. They're on the hunt, ladies and gentlemen. They're hunting. What is going on in there?